Good morning, children, and welcome back to online class again. So, after your many days of gap for your exam, this is your first class after your half-yearly exam. So, today I'm going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 7, that is forms of matter. That means what? And space occupied by any object is known as matter. Okay, and there are three different kinds of matter, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Alright, children, what type of materials that solid particles are there, okay, in any forms of matter, that we'll discuss over here, right? So let us continue with our chapter. Pay attention very well, right? Okay, we see different kinds of objects all around us. That means whatever we see around us, whatever we see, like we see a wooden chair, we see a bottle of water, or we breathe oxygen. Okay, all these are what? Matters. Okay, these are the different kinds of objects, okay, that we see around us, which is also a matter, right? Now, things that are present in nature and are not made by man are called natural things. Okay, what are natural things? Natural things are those things that are present in the nature and are not made by the man or the human beings. They are known as natural things. They are natural in nature. Okay, they are natural in nature. Now, they include what? Plants, animals, mountains, soil, air, river, rocks, etc. These all are what? Natural things. Are these things made up of are these things made by human beings? Made by man? No, they are what? God gifted. Alright, they are what? God gifted. So, things that are made by man for their use are called what? Man-made things. Right. Now, for example, things that are made by man, okay, things that are made by man for their use are called as man-made things. Example are what? Chair, table, clothes, and buckets. All whatever things which are made by human being is known as what? Is known as your man-made things. Right, children? Now, what is common between natural and non man-made things? What is common in between them? Now, what is common between natural and man-made things? A very big question mark is there. Now, let us read the answer about it. Both natural and man-made things have mass and occupies some space. Mass, that means it has some weight. Okay, it has some weight. And what? They occupy space. That means they need some area. That means what? They need some area where they can be placed. Now, for example, I'll give you a chair. Chair. We need a place or space to keep that chair in some way or the other, in some place. Right? Next, I'll give you example of water. Water, either we need bucket or bottle to be kept. Yes or no? That water is also requiring what? Space. And that water is also weighing some weight, having some weight. Understood? So, whatever materials, whatever objects will be there, that needs what? Number one, they need what? Your they have mass, that means they have weight. And second point, we talk about what? They need some space. They also need some space to occupy, to keep themselves. Okay, next, they are considered as matter. So what is matter? Matter, anything which has mass and occupies space is known as matter. It may be anything, solid, liquid, or gas. Right, children? Next, therefore, everything around us is called matter, is matter. Everything around us, everything, whatever, maybe a tree or a plant or a stone or a river, whatever it may be, what they has what? Weight, that means they have mass, and also they need some space to be kept. Yes or no? So for that reason it is known as matter, and everything around us is matter. Okay, children? Next, we'll talk about matters and its form. Matters and its form. there are three forms of matter: solid, liquid and gas. I have already told you about this. Okay, how many types of matters are there? There are three forms of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas, right? Next, they are also known as the three states of matter. What is the other name of matter? The three states of matter. Okay children, the three states of matter are what? Solid, liquid and gas. Alright, the books, chairs and tables in our homes and schools, the water that we drink and the air around us are all the examples of the three forms of matter. Everything whatever is around us is matter. May it be a solid, may it be liquid or may it be gas. Okay children, so these are the three forms of matter. Example of your solid matter is what? A chair, table, books, etc. Okay, example of your liquid is what? Water, milk, oil, etc. An example of what? Air. Example of air, oxygen, carbon dioxide, balloon gas. These are all what known as air. Examples of air. Examples of gases. Okay children, now I hope this will be enough for you for today's class. So in the next class we will be talking about some properties of solid, properties of liquid and properties of gas. By then we'll be completing our chapter also. Okay children, so till then go through the chapter. Okay, whatever we have discussed today, natural thing, man-made thing, matter and the matter and its forms, the three forms, all go through it. Okay children, wherever you have doubt you can consult with me. Right children, thank you for today. Have a good day. Thank you.